KashKick does not run like a high-performance game or video editor, so battery usage usually depends on how you use the app, how long it stays open, and what your phone is doing in the background. By the end, you'll know what can affect KashKick battery usage, how to reduce battery drain, and what settings to check if your phone feels slower after using the app. The first thing to understand is that any app can use more battery when you keep the screen active for long periods. If you spend a lot of time completing surveys, checking offers, or browsing tasks, your phone is working continuously. Your screen is usually one of the biggest battery users on a smartphone. Keeping brightness high or leaving your display on for extended sessions can increase overall battery consumption. The second section is checking your phone settings. If you notice unusual battery use, open your device settings and check the battery usage section. This shows which apps are using power and helps you identify whether KashKick is actually the cause. If KashKick appears low on the battery list, another app or system process may be using more power. Checking the full battery report gives you a clearer picture instead of guessing. You can also reduce battery usage by lowering screen brightness, closing apps you are not using, and keeping your phone updated. These steps help manage battery use across all apps, not just KashKick. The third section is fixing common problems. If the KashKick app feels slow or your phone heats up, restart your device first. Temporary background processes can affect performance. Next, check that you are using the latest version of the app. App updates can include performance improvements and bug fixes. If problems continue, check your internet connection. A weak connection can make apps work harder because your phone may spend more time trying to load information. Battery drain can also depend on your device model, operating system, and other apps running at the same time. Two people using the same app can see different battery results because their phone settings and usage patterns are different. To summarize, KashKick battery usage depends mainly on how long you use the app, your phone settings, and other activity happening on your device. Check your battery report, adjust settings, and update your app if needed. Your next step is to open your phone's battery settings and see which apps are actually using power before making changes. If this guide helped you understand KashKick battery usage, like the video and subscribe for more app guides.